What is up, everybody? My name is Stacy, and I want to thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I really do appreciate it, especially because of what's currently going down in the neighborhood these days. You know, there's a lot of protesting going on and things like that. So I want to thank you specifically for joining me. I just want to do this video as a way to decompress and wind down from everything that's happening and in our neighborhoods and things like that. So if you're looking to do that too, then thank you so much for clicking on this video. Again, if you're out there protesting, I hope you're staying safe and I hope you're being careful and I hope you're taking care of yourself. So in today's video, we're just going to be getting into this look here. I'm going to be using the So Jaded Palette here by ColourPop and Miss Kathleen Lights here on YouTube herself. She collaborated with ColourPop quite some time ago. So this palette is not new, not by any means, but I just was able to get my hands on it and I really wanted to dive into it because I was very interested in the color scheme that it had going on. And just in case you haven't saw it, which I highly doubt, but just in case, this is what we're working with right here. These colors are really pretty. So if you're interested in seeing how I came up with this green eye, then keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, okay? Because I want you guys to come back. Subscribe, okay? Follow me on all my socials, which of course will be listed down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you know when to come back. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and dive in. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of tape on the corners of my eyes because I really want that cat eye look, but I'm not good at getting it unassisted. So here we go. All right, now that that struggle is over, let's go ahead and prime our eyes. I'm gonna be using my concealer, which is gonna be the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. This is in the shade, as soon as I find it. What shade are you in? Oh girl, 400 Caramel. So it's gonna be her right here. All right, we can go ahead and put that on our eyes. All right, we are all set. Let's go ahead and set that with some powder. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier to set that concealer down. All right, now that my concealer is all set, we're gonna go ahead and get into the palette, which is gonna be the So Jaded Palette by ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. I've been so excited to get my hands on this. I know I'm extremely late to the party. Please don't crucify me. I know, I get it. I get it. But I do have a question. Was anybody else surprised at how kind of like small she kind of is? I mean, on the ColourPop website, they had her looking real huge. They had these colors over here looking ginormous. And then I got the palette and I was just like, where's the rest of it at? But anyways, let's go ahead and get into today's look. I'm thinking of something a bit green today. But we're gonna start off with a brown color. No. That's not what we're doing. I lied. We're gonna start with our main color today. Alrighty, so let's start off with the lid color, which is gonna be it's gonna be this turquoise color right here. Hope I'm holding that high enough. It's gonna be this turquoise color right here. We're gonna put that all over the lid. Alrighty guys, so there we are with the turquoise color. All right, we're gonna go ahead and blend out the edges. Carnelian, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. That's gonna be that shade right here. We're gonna use that to blend out the edges of this turquoise color. Alrighty, guys. So that's where we are with the brown color that's called Carnelian. Again, I hope I'm saying that correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and add, I want to add a shimmer on here. So I'm gonna go in with Emeralds, which is gonna be this color right here at the bottom. And I'm gonna just put that on the inner third corner. Alrighty, guys, and that is how that emerald color is looking on the inner third of the eyes. Liking it so far. All right, let's go ahead and remove the tape. All right, so we're gonna put the eyes on pause. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the eyes on pause for a moment and go ahead with our base makeup. Today, I'm gonna be using my Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 in the shade Chai. It's gonna be her right here. All right, I'm gonna go in all over the face. Alrighty, so we're all done with the foundation. Let's go in with the concealer, which is going to be the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in 400 Caramel. I don't know why I'm saying that again. All right, let's go ahead and set our concealer. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier again to go ahead and take care of that. All right, so let's go ahead and move right along. We're gonna go ahead and get into our bronzer, which is gonna be my tried and true, the Black Radiance Contour Palette. Alrighty, moving along, we're gonna go and get into, what are we getting into? Blush, 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 blush. And for blush, we're going back into the Moon Prism palette. I hope you guys saw my last video, which was a review on this palette, and saw how much I really, really enjoy it. Alrighty. Just one more time, if you haven't seen the colors. So what are we gonna get into with this eye look? All right, so we're gonna go into the Twilight color, which is this orangey color right here. The orangey colors tend to blend a bit better with my skin tone, so they don't, I'm not looking for it to take away from the eyes, so. Alrighty, so we're gonna also go in with a little bit of that Soleil color as well. All right, we're gonna go in with a little bit of this setting mist. Alrighty, so while the setting mist is still drying a little bit on my face, I'm gonna go in with a bit of highlighter, sorry, with this Master Chrome. This is the Molten Gold color. All right, so let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna take that brown that I have on the top and we're gonna go in along the waterline. Alrighty, so we finished that off, and I'm gonna go ahead and line and lash off camera, and I will be right back. Alrighty, guys, so we are back and we are better than ever. All right, so I took the time to put on my lashes and line my eyes, as well as throw another color in the inner corner. It is this pearl color right here. right here. Hope you can see that. And that pearl color really brought it up a notch. I really, really like what it did for the look. Yeah, I added some more of that I added some more of that brown because I cannot pronounce this and I'm so sick of butchering it. Okay, I added a little bit more of that brown under my eyes, and these are the eyes completed. Now let's go ahead and get into the lip. So we're of course gonna do a nude because the eyes are a lot. So today I'm gonna line my lips with my tried and true. This is Obsession. Okay, we'll take this one. 64 by Rimmel, this lip liner right here. Hope you guys can see that. We can go ahead and line the lips with that really quick. All right, and now we're gonna go in with the NYX Butter Gloss. This is in, of course, Angel Food Cake. Hope you guys can see that as well. Can you guys see anything? I hope so. Okay. All right, and these are the lips and the eyes. All right, I'm gonna go remove my hair wrap and I will be right back. All right, here we are, guys. This is the final look. What do you think? I personally, I like it. I like it. And so my thoughts on the So Jaded Palette here by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop is that I like the palette. I like the palette. I could love the palette, but I think I need to work a little bit more on the palette, or with the palette, I should say. As far as the colors, that turquoise color, I laid her down and she did not want to move. She just said, nope, I'm here and that's it. You know, the other colors, the brown and of course the that pearl color, they blended beautifully. Oh my God, that pearl color is so pretty, so pretty. I really enjoyed that. So my thoughts on the palette overall is that I like the palette, and I'm gonna make every attempt to use this palette more so I can get more of a feel for it. I think I'm gonna try to, you know, watch some other YouTube videos, see how they used it, maybe create a few other looks. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. That's probably gonna be the next few upcoming videos, just so I can get a real feel for this palette. But it's a good one. It is definitely not the worst $40 I've ever spent on anything, okay? Far from it. And if you actually were thinking about picking this palette up, I don't think you would be wasting any money either. Like I said, that turquoise color there she was stubborn, her right here, but that in no way makes this palette any bad at all. I'll just, you know, bring attention to that. All right, guys, so that is it for me. That is it for me. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video, and I want to say, you know, to all those guys out there who are protesting, I want you guys to stay safe because it is dangerous in those streets. You know, people have been getting hurt and injured, so definitely stay safe. Definitely take care of you. You are important too. And if you join me for this little wind down, kind of, you know, blowing off some steam, kind of decompressing type of video, then thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I want to see you guys come back. So please subscribe. Please follow me on all my social media, which is going to be listed down below. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads, okay? All right, guys. Stay safe and catch you on the next video. Bye.